Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper glider. To begin, you will need just one sheet of standard A4 paper. The quality of your paper is crucial, so ensure it is crisp and free of any existing creases or tears. A smooth, flat work surface will also be very helpful for precise folding. Having these basic materials ready will set you up for success in crafting a glider that flies beautifully. Now let's start with the core folds. First, take your A4 paper and fold it lengthwise exactly in half, then unfold it. This creates a perfect central crease line, which will be your guide for the next steps. Next, fold the top two corners inwards so their edges meet precisely along that central crease. This forms the initial pointed nose of your glider. With the nose formed, we will now create the main body and wings. Fold the top edge of the paper down, aligning it with the previous folds you just made. Then, fold the entire glider in half along the original center crease, ensuring everything is neatly aligned. Finally, create the wings by folding down each side, about 1 inch from the top edge, to give your glider its aerodynamic shape. For the best flight, some final adjustments are key. Gently bend the wingtips slightly upwards. This small upward curve, known as dihedral, adds stability during flight. Now, test your glider with a smooth forward throw, not too hard. Observe its flight path. If it dives or stalls, adjust the wing angles slightly until you achieve a long, steady glide. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.